Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Vibes. My name is Emma, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm John. We help you learn English in a simple, slow, and clear way, perfect for beginners and everyday learners.
Before we start today's lesson, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss our new English lessons.
All right, let's begin today's English listening practice. This lesson includes conversations, a short story, questions, repetition, and a listening test.
Exactly. Take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy learning step by step.
Part 1. Daily English Listening.
Conversation 1. Asking and finding. Do you know where the apples are?
Yes, they're on the left side near the front.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where are the apples?
On the left side.
Conversation 2. Waiting for a bus. Do you know when the next bus arrives?
It should be here in about 5 minutes.
Great, thank you.
No problem.
Conversation 3. Ordering something. I would like to order pasta and lemonade, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Part 2. A simple listening story. The Warm Bookshop.
On a cold evening, Lucas walked through the streets. The wind was strong, and he felt tired and cold.
As he looked around, he noticed a small bookshop with warm yellow lights. The lights looked soft, friendly, and inviting.
He stepped inside. The shop smelled like old books and warm tea.
The owner smiled and said, "You look cold. Would you like some warm tea?"
Lucas nodded. He sat near the window and opened a small book about adventures.
For the first time that day, he felt warm and peaceful.
Lucas walked on a cold evening. He saw a bookshop with warm yellow lights.
He went inside. The owner gave him warm tea. He read a small book and felt peaceful.
Now answer these questions. I'll speak slowly.
Question 1. Why was Lucas cold?
Question 2. What place did he enter?
Question 3. What color were the lights?
Question 4. What did the owner give him?
Question 5. How did he feel at the end?
He was cold because it was a cold evening. He entered a bookshop. The lights were warm yellow. He gave him warm tea. He read a small book and felt peaceful.
Repeat after us.
I wake up early every morning.
I drink water throughout the day.
I read books before sleeping.
I am learning English every day.
The weather is cool today.
Please speak slowly.
Listen carefully and choose the correct answer.
Question 1. Lucas entered the bookshop because A. He wanted food. B. The lights looked warm. C. He was meeting someone.
Question 2. What did he receive? A. Tea. B. Water. C. Coffee.
Question 3. How did he feel at the end? A. Angry. B. Peaceful. C. Sleepy.
Viewers, answer these questions in comment sections. We will read your answers.
I am learning English step by step.
Listening helps me improve.
I can understand more every day.
I am becoming more confident.
Great job! You completed your English listening practice for today.
Remember, practice every day, even for just 10 minutes.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it.
And subscribe to English Vibes and click the bell icon so you never miss our next lesson.
See you in the next video.